our age likewise has produced not a few who at table, desirous to dispute freely and with less restraint upon any topic whatsoever, instituted entertainments not unlike those of the Socratics, and even called them, not improperly, Socratic societies. Most of these are philosophers, or at least in a degree bordering upon philosophers. Bigoted to no one's opinion, nor led aside by education or custom, nor subservient to the religion and laws of their country, they freely and impartially, in the silence of all prejudices, and with the greatest sedateness of mind, discuss and bring to a scrutiny all things, as well sacred, as the saying is, as profane. They are called, for the most part, pantheists, upon account of an opinion concerning God and the universe peculiar to themselves, but diametrically opposite to the Epicureans, Chaologists, and Oneiropolists, as they acknowledge no first confusion, no fortune, much less chance, to be the maker of the world. Notwithstanding, they deliver their sentiments concerning the cause and origin of things in conjunction with Linus, the most ancient, most authentic, and revered oracle of mysterious science, saying, "All things are from the whole, and the whole is from all things." This short sentence, which they always have in their mouth, requires to be fully explained, wherefore we shall here briefly clear it up by adjusting exactly words to things. They assert that the universe, of which this world we behold with our eyes is but a small portion, is infinite, both in extension and virtue, but one, in the continuation of the whole and contiguity of the parts. Immovable according to the whole, as beyond it there's no place or space, but movable according to the parts, or by distances in number infinite. Incorruptible and necessary both ways, to wit, eternal in existence and duration, intelligent also by an eminent reason, and not to receive its denomination from our intellectual faculty unless by a slight similitude. Finally, whose integrant parts are always the same, and constituent parts always in motion. I could not express these things in so concise a manner with greater perspicuity, yet for the further satisfaction of the reader I shall animadvert upon them, one after another. 4. From that motion and intellect that constitute the force and harmony of the infinite whole, innumerable species of things arise, every individual of which is both a matter and form to itself, form being nothing else than a disposition of parts in each body. From whence, therefore, we may conclude that the best reason and most perfect order regulate all things in the universe, in which there are infinite worlds distinguished from one another as other parts by their peculiar attributes, although with regard to the whole there are no parts really separate. Things moving by parts in no wise take away from the perfection of the universe, as thereby new perfections are produced by a never-ceasing principle of generation. Neither is the constant dissolution of many things that result from those parts an hindrance to its perfection, inasmuch as this is a point of the greatest perfection. For nothing of the whole perishes, but destruction and production